Oh, flip. Wrong side out? Hey, wrong side out. Panibago na namang commercial ni Poppy Playtime, guys, ha? Yo! Oh! What is that, yo? That's so creepy! Oh, flip! Tinatahi! I think ginawa nilang to yung mga bata dito, mga prende. Yeah. Oh my God, I love that flip. Tinahi nila, oh. Ginawa nilang to yung mga bata, guys. What the flip? Oh, no, bro. That is so scary and that is so creepy. Oh, flip!
Or adventure with Bingo Boogie. You can even
What
eat
the?
them.
No! Bro, ang dark na ng commercial. Ano to? Commercial pa ba to? Aray mo! Now you are wrong side out. Ngayon nasa inside na sila ng toy. Oh na. Gusto ko malaman kung ano nangyari sa... Ah!
Pangit. Kamu kanibo. Ang
What
pangit.
is that? What is that, bro? Di ba nandito na tayo sa bigla tayo inatake ni Huggy Wuggy? Oh, flip. Oh no. Oh no, we gotta get out of here. Nah, bro, chasing agad to. Do not tell me may chasing agad dito. Hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta. Huggy, wait lang. Wait lang, Huggy.
Di na
Huggy,
natapos.
open this.